Once you've downloaded the Unity installer from the website, you can launch the install wizard, which looks like this application here. And it gives you different options for the different parts or the components of the Unity engine that you'll want to install to your computer. Now, it gives you the option of different modules because depending on your development needs, you might not need every aspect of the Unity engine. For example, by default, everybody is going to need the top option, which are the core engine parts. This includes the Unity editor itself and everything you need to actually create game content. Beneath this, we have the option for documentation. Now, the Unity documentation is available online for you to read, and that is always the latest version. But if you're going to be using Unity offline quite a lot, you might want to activate the documentation option to install a local copy of the documentation to your computer. The third option includes the standard asset packages, and you'll probably want to enable this option. This includes a range of additional content that we can ship with the Unity engine to easily create additional projects. You may also want to go ahead and enable the example project if this is the first time you're using the Unity engine, so you can open up that project and see how it was put together. Now, the options beneath this are platform-specific options. So, for example, if you're going to be building games for the Android mobile platform, you'll need to enable this option. And the same thing for iOS and the Linux option, the Samsung TV, and the WebGL build if you're going to be building games for websites. The same thing for Windows build and for Facebook builds. It really depends on what your needs are. But for the purposes of this course, I'm going to be sticking with the standard desktop builds. So I only need to actually activate the option standard assets and the top Unity option. I'm still going to leave these options enabled down here in case I ever want to create a build for the web, for example, or for Windows, but I'm still going to stick primarily with the standard assets and the main option at the top here, and then simply choose continue to install these components to my computer.